Thank you for choosing the Motif-Luna breast pump. Innovated with the modern mom in mind, the Luna is a sophisticated, strong, and portable breast pump built for user-friendly comfort and efficiency. When getting ready to pump, be sure to measure and ensure that you are using the properly sized breast shields for the most comfortable and efficient pumping. Prior to each pumping session, remember to thoroughly wash your hands and make sure that the fully assembled collection kit is connected to the breast pump body correctly. Next, place the breast shield on the breast so that the nipple is properly centered in the tunnel. To begin your pumping session, press the power button to turn on the breast pump. Please remember that the breast pump will begin on the most recently used setting, so you may need to press the mode button to switch back to massage mode. Next, adjust the vacuum strength by pressing the increase and decrease buttons to find your optimal and most comfortable setting. Once your milk begins to flow, press the mode button to switch to the expression mode. You can again adjust the vacuum settings by pressing the increase and decrease buttons to your comfort. Once you have finished your pumping session, press the power button again to turn off the pump and stop pumping. After each pumping session, be sure to take apart all assembled breast pump parts and properly clean and sterilize the appropriate pump parts individually. To disassemble, first twist the diaphragm assembly off the breast shield. Then remove the breast shield from the milk collection bottle. Close the bottle tightly with the bottle cover and bottle disc and store safely. Next, remove the tubing from the diaphragm assembly and breast pump accordingly. Be sure to clean and sterilize all pump parts and put them away properly. Thank you for choosing the Motif-Luna breast pump. To learn more, visit us online at motifmedical.com.